Alright everybody, my two 2.5 hard drives came in today and they are installed. I'm just waiting on my cables to come. One thing a lot of people do is they sleep on these Rosereal cases. This is the Rosereal Spectra C100. Yes, and it has a lot of space. One thing about this case here, it holds up to 4 2.5 hard drives and 2 3.5 hard drives. So, enough said. Let me show you the back of it. Enough said. There they go, the 2.5 hard drives sitting in the back. There go the 3.5s. There go my fan control switch there. Yes. And a lot of people sleep on these cases here. As you see, I got my 2.5s in the back. Holds up to 4 2.5s and 2 3.5. So it's a total of 6 hard drives that goes in these cases here. And a lot of people sleep on these cases here. Rosereal makes some good cases. It just, you got to go ahead on and pick the case with dynamic airflow. As you see up front, it's a mesh front design, front panel. And I got to go ahead and I got my magnetic up top. I'm planning on buying 2 120mm fans. I'm trying to find the dual range that matches the same as Rosereal. I found them, but one person was selling them for $40 a piece, so I kind of like backed off of it. But when I find those fans, I just might just go ahead on and get me a up here 6 120mm RGB fans to just go ahead and go on up with it. But other than that, these cases are awesome. A lot of people sleep on these cases here, which they shouldn't. This is the Rosereal Spectra C100, and it is good. So if y'all plan on buying this case, y'all can go ahead and pick it up from Newegg. They're great, they're good, they're solid, they're roomy. The front panel is 8.5 width, so you know it holds a lot, and it has a tempered glass on it. As y'all saw, it's off. So, but these cases here does its job. So if y'all want to go ahead and check the Rosereal line cases out, y'all can go to rosereal.com and look at the line of PC cases. Y'all cannot go wrong with it. So y'all go ahead and enjoy your holiday. Thanks for watching this little small video, and hit subscribe button and like, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright.